guys, I'm today. Today I'm vlogging. It's night time today. Can see it. Oh, it's light. And the sun just started.
May front cam kaya yan.
What?
May front cam yan, pwede namang sulit.
And it's night time. Can see? It's night time. Wait, I'm gonna flash it. Now you can see. You see it's night time. Okay, it's night time. And my little brother. I have a new cell phone. This Oppo. It's like my cell phone. This is my cell phone. New cell phone. Now this is my new cell phone. Oppo. Oh, it's empty. It's empty. Yo, yuck. Oh. Wait. Oh, yes. This is tennis ball. I'm gonna play it, please. Oh. I can't. This is a tennis ball. And it pretty much I cannot bounce this. It's so hard to bounce. Whoa. Now, I'm working out. I have school tomorrow. Oh, it's a reindeer in there. There's school tomorrow. So hard to school. It's a cat. Hey, cat. Cat. I'm out today. So that's it. I'm pretty much gonna end this video. So short, I know, because I cannot make a video, long video, because I really work here. Okay, that's it there, guys. This is my cell phone. It's the Oppo. Okay, that's pretty much, guys. I'm gonna end this video. 3, 2, 1. Bye bye. Bye bye.